I have 2 half-gallon jars, and I'm going to divide this pineapple between them. We had a pineapple yesterday, and I didn't get to this, so we just set this in the fridge overnight. It was really good.
Yes.
You agree? Yeah.
It was good.
It was. It was so delicious.
I ate pineapple. And you
I did too.
potato.
Yep, I wanted it, didn't I?
Yep.
This is kind of packed in, so I think it's fine. Close enough to half for me. I cannot find my other spices, so I'm just doing vanilla, which it didn't call for. Vanilla and cinnamon.
Which it didn't call for.
Did not call for vanilla. I called for cinnamon, allspice, cloves, and star anise.
Can I say?
Not sure where those
It
things
did
are.
not call for vanilla. It called for cinnamon. What's vanilla?
These brown beans. So I'm just gonna top these off with water.
Oh wait, it called for that?
Yeah, I'm gonna cover these so they don't get bugs in them very easy. No, I'm not. That's not very good. Okay, now I gotta go get good water. Pop over to the other table and eat your lunch. I'll probably need another water, but yes, one more water, which I'll just get that in a minute. But this is a fermented drink, so I let it sit here for a couple of days. I'm gonna have a loose lid on it because I don't want anything blowing up. I'll just have it so that if this, it can off gas, but nothing can get in. And then I'll fill this one and I'll let it sit for 2 days. It'll just be a nice fermented drink. It won't really be bubbly unless I second ferment it in like flip top.
Let it sit out here.
No, I'll let it sit in my cabin. So if I ferment this for 2 to 3 days, and then I strain it and pour it into fermentation bottles so that I can get some fizz, it would be fizzy. Otherwise, it's just gonna be a nice drink that you have over ice, and not carbonating it is fine with me. That pineapple is the best I've had in a really long time. So I'm gonna let this sit for a couple days and I'll let you know how it is.